програми улюблений Кукукова. Дуже аплодисменти!
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and stop me out, and I'll rush away. See how I'll leave with every piece of you. The endurance to make the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The stars are remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The stars are what they leave me there, 'cause I can't help feeling we could have it
Друзья мои, давайте бурно аплодисменты подаем сюда еще раз, девчонки. И один из просьба выйти вас всех. Мы хотим наградить вас благодарственными